Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to do a small and a short review on these lashes from Rochester here on YouTube. Our website is @lyric.com, and the name of these lashes are hold on, stilettos. And honest to God, like, I love the lash here. Me usually wear like, I only wear like full lashes, not the single lash. I always wear like full lash, and this one look totally natural. The rest of them, you know, like the Chinese brand and stuff, you know, so them they go look thick and look, you know, like when you wear Brazilian and then you want synthetic hair, you just know the difference. Say that now work and this go work for you. Yeah, them lash here they work. Them look nice, and people maybe go think so just because me a Jamaican and she a Jamaican, me go say good things about them lash here good. And if me never like them, I would tell them straight up say, no sir, me don't want this eyelash here, but the eyelash here look nice. And for no one, I go honestly wear the eyelash. Them here eyelash alone, I go to wear. So this is like my big brand eyelash. It's like when I have Louis Vuitton bag, red bottom shoes, this I go my brand eyelash. And honestly, I have to go to Fontana because I need maybe 2 to 3 more pair of the eyelash here. And she said like waist trainer and stuff. And see there, the eyelash them no there, $4.90. And she have a website, @lyric.com. She said like waist trainers, brushes and stuff. And yes, I'm gonna buy our brush to do a review on it same way, because you know, so you have to support your sister though. So yeah, I'm gonna go buy our lash our makeup brush so that I can do a review on it. And I'm going to leave some clips so you guys can see me wearing the lashes. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So guys, these are the lashes from Lyric, Lyric. She's a YouTuber and I love the lash. Like everybody I tell me say lash look nice. Wait dog. And what do you learn for put on eyelash and me I go on, but then lash everybody I tell me say them lash here look natural and them like them. So yeah.